Hi friends, I wanted to show you how I have made some pieces that were missing for this game. This is a Dr. Seuss 4-game treasury, Cat in the Hat, all these different games, and it has this little tray that slides in here. It kind of came loose, and so I'm just gluing that, but it's missing a few pieces. These cards are all here, the match cards and everything, but one of the cards for the card game is missing, and it was the 9 of Blackfish. And so basically I just traced onto some poster board, a little bit thicker than poster board, the size, and copied the Blackfish card and made a 9 out of it. It's not perfect, but it will work for the game as often as it will be played. And then the other piece that was missing is was the purple Cat in the Hat one. And basically I just hand drew. It's not perfect, obviously, by any means, but I just did it freehand. You could photocopy it in black and white and then just paint it the color you need it to be, but I didn't care that much. I just wanted it to match and have a piece for the board game. So Sharpies are my best friend. If you look at my blog, you'll know I love Sharpies. I use them for everything, and so I just used the Sharpie color that was closest to the base and did that. And then this one was just black and red Sharpies on a white cardboard. So, and obviously they're just the fish. I just freehanded them really fast. I mean, those are a really bad job, but you know, for as many often as times as they'd play the game, it worked out just fine. I probably should have used a little bit more of an orange Sharpie, which I do have, but anyway, just wanted to share that. You can just quickly make one up by either photocopying it black and white and then using Sharpie to color over it, or so like if I had done this, they're not the exact same because the redfish obviously are a little different than the blackfish. So that's why I just freehanded it, but it works for the game. So don't be afraid of making a piece if you need it. It's pretty easy. It took me like 5 minutes to make them, and I just wanted to share that with you. Check out my blog for pictures and description. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.